Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to record screen on iPhone with sound. Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to record iPhone screen with sound on iOS 26. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and swipe down the control center. Now you want to locate the screen record button and then press and hold it. If the screen record button is missing, press and hold the control center. Click on Add a control. Then search for screen recording and then select it. Now you can expand the screen recording to make it more visible. Click outside. Now press and hold the screen recording. Make sure you turn on microphone. And after that, go ahead and click on Start Recording. And this is going to start recording your iPhone screen with sound just after the countdown. And then you are good. So whatever you do on your iPhone screen now is going to be recorded and saved on the Photos app. Once you are done, click on the time dynamic island at the top left. Then click on Stop Recording. Then you can now go ahead and check your screen recorded. And that is it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.